This legal vision, I would like to talk about Law Commission of India. It is the biggest topic, but I am ready to talk in a very sharpened one. This Law Commission was started in 1834 by the Britisher initially. But in the independence period in India, after independence, in 1955, the Law Commission was started. Its tenure is just 3 years. It consists of chairman and also secretary and full-time members and part-time members according to reference. So not a permanent members here. And it is not a statutory body. And it's a body, it comes under the Ministry of Law and Justice. They are governed by the chairman. The chairman post is maximum held by retired judges. The current Law Commission judge, the SASO chairman, is extended up to 2024, but now from 2025, a new chairman will be appointed. The meeting will be held between the members and they will convene at the SASO on particular subject, they will do it. General function of the Law Commission of India is reviewing the law and also advising to the government for removing the SASO absolute law and amending the law, amending the constitution. They will recommend more regarding the law and whether it is affecting the poor, whether the supporting law is needed, whether new provisions are required to support the organization, support the business, support the finance, support the government, support the also the people, and supporting the also labor forces, everything they will consider. They will take the topics into their consideration. They will investigate. They have such powers. They go and search the SASO and find the solution to the problems existing, and whereby they recommend to the government for the amendments of the provision of the law. And some acts can be removed from the scene. The absolute law, whereby recently the government of India made more removal of the absolute laws, which are not needed. Because of these were the colonial laws, those were removed by the government of the Southern Delhi, the BJP recently. So the Law Commission of India plays such a role to review the law also, the acts and everything. So to support it, to do the research on it, the Law Commission is playing a very key role. It is calling the meeting and summoning the Southern Delhi other members and everything to come to the conclusion for the recommendation. So they will conclude, they will prepare the report and will be submitted to the government. So the government will take it very strong, and sometime the report will be sent back to the Law Commission of India. Then Law Commission of India, the SASO will reconsider it and will go for further works, further investigation, and find a suitable the SASO needs and how the provisions should be amended and which are the new provisions should be included, how the provisions should be there, how the provisions should be helpful to the subject referred. So these will be done by the Law Commission of India. So up to this time, the Law Commission of India is supporting well. I think in the current Law Commission of India, it's the 22nd Law Commission of India, it's existing. So on the 23rd, the Southern Delhi will be selected or appointed, headed by retired judges, and it will be also helpful to the SASO government of India to frame new law and the regulation and rules also, which is necessary. That's why the Law Commission of India is playing very, very key role to do more works, supporting through Ministry of Law and Justice. So the government of India directly takes this report from the Law Commission of India to do the amendments, even in the Constitution. Constitutional amendments also is done by the Parliament. At the same time, the more laws are enacted. Recently in the work at the Southern Delhi in the Workford amendment bill also has been recommended by the Law Commission of India certain amendments and provisions because which are necessary. But now it's in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also has given certain interim or the Southern Daily Order on certain works, certain provision of this amendment. That is necessary. The judicial review is very important to do the works, and the judiciary involvement and intervention is very important to shape the law. That's why the work amendment bill is getting shaped by the Supreme Court of India. So the Law Commission of India is playing a very key role in helping to the government to review the act, to amend the act, to repeal the act, whereby more absolute acts have been repealed up to this time on the recommendation of the Law Commission of India. So its studies are very important, its investigation also very important. Up to this time it has done well. Even in future, the Law Commission of India will do its best. Thank you.